Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. It is English for grade 2 and we are learning unit number 4 and its title is Mobile Phone. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, we will learn about reading and understanding, how we can read and understand the text. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned about reading and understanding, and also you have learned about consonants. What are consonants? So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And in English grade 1, also we have learned about pre-reading strategies. In unit number 10, the ant and the grasshopper. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, because we are going to learn today our 2 SLOs we will cover. Our SLOs are: use pre-reading strategies to predict the story by looking at pictures in the text, identify and classify words that begin with consonant or vowel sounds. So today we will going to cover up our these SLOs. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Jami Trimzi, this is a hadith. The messenger of Allah sallallahu said, whoever takes a path upon which to obtain knowledge, Allah makes the paths to paradise easy for him. So Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that who makes the path towards Allah, okay, to attain knowledge, means while getting knowledge to know everything about the life after death and all knowledge of this world. So definitely Allah Almighty help him and Allah Almighty leads him toward paradise. Okay, it means to getting knowledge, to get education, to get knowledge is a pious aim. Okay, and you and we are committed to get that. Okay, my dear students, have you got? So let's see, we are moving. So pre-reading question are there. Can you guess what the lesson is about? Can you guess? By looking at the picture, see what is being shown, my dear students. What is this? Yes, good job. The lesson is about mobile phone. This is a mobile phone. Okay, how can we communicate with each other if we live far away? Okay, my dear students, if we live far away from each other, so how we will communicate with each other? Pause the video and respond to your teacher. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Definitely nowadays we are communicating with mobile phone. Okay, so now we are going to start our lesson. Okay, the first mobile phone was invented in 1973 by Dr. Martin Cooper. Okay, so who invented the first mobile phone, my dear students? Yes, the first mobile phone was invented in 1973 by Dr. Martin Cooper. Okay, my dear students, in this way the mobile phone was. Okay, by the passage of time, it developed and changed into different shapes. Okay, like when the mobile phone was invented, it was like that. And next, step by step, now we are using Android cell phones. Okay, so have you got that? So next, see this. After many years, everyone had a mobile phone. A mobile phone makes us connected to the rest of the world. Okay, so after some time, what happened? Everyone had mobile phone. Okay, nowadays you can see that everyone has a mobile phone, and even all family members at a home have separate phones they have. Okay, due to that with the passage of time, it's like demand is increasing day by day. Okay, the world within seconds, it is a calculator, gaming device, net browser, etc. So we can use a calculator. It has a lot of functions in mobile phone, my dear students. We can listen music, we can listen Al-Quran, we can also play games, and also we can search everything using net browsers. Okay, next one, device. There is a word device, I think made for a particular purpose, especially a mechanical or electrical. Okay, that is called a device. that is specially a mechanical or a electrical purpose that is used for a particular purpose. Okay, that is called a device. Next, while reading question is for you. When was the first call made? Can you tell? When was the first call made? Yes, definitely when the first mobile phone was invented, at that time the first call was made. Okay. Next, mobile phone is an important invention. It helps us in our daily life. It has made our life easy. So as we know that mobile phone has made our lives easy and it helps us in our daily life. Invention means the action of inventing something. When we create a new thing, okay? So this is called an invention. We can do our daily life business through mobile phone. It has also made communication easy. So have you got that? We can also discuss many things, a lot of things we can discuss with each other, even we are not near us, even someone is not sitting with us. So we can talk. How we can talk? Due to a mobile phone. Okay. Communication. What is communication? Sending and receiving information. Communication, when we talk to each other, it can be like live talk, direct communication, and it can be like that when we talk on by using an electrical device, okay, like mobile phone or telephone. So read the text again. So you can read the text again to give questions. Okay, there are comprehension questions for you. You have to answer these questions, my dear students. Question number A, B, and C. Yes, my dear teachers, you have to pause the video and get this activity individual as a classwork. So welcome back. I hope you have done it. Good job, my dear students. Here, see there, my dear students. As we know that how many English alphabets we have, there are 26 English alphabets, that A to Z. Okay, so let's see that how we can get that, what are consonants and what are vowels. These all are called vowels. See there. Yes. A, E, I, O, U. So have you got it, my dear students? These 5 are called vowels and all the remaining alphabets are called consonants. So 2 sounds we can get also while our speech, while our like reading or speaking. So we also get 2 voices, 2 sounds like vowels and consonants. So see there, what you have to do, you write 5 words that start with the vowel sounds from the lesson in your notebook, and write 5 words that start with the consonant sounds from the lesson in your notebook. So what you have to do, my dear teacher, you have to pause the video and you have to get from students these 2 questions in their notebook, consonant sounds and vowel sounds. They will search out words from that lesson and then they have to write in their notebook. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it. Good job. So what's your homework? Teacher will tell students to do the comprehension questions on page number 30. You have to do these comprehension questions again, okay? And what we have covered? We have covered that we predicted the story by looking at the picture. We read and understood the text. We took dictation of familiar words learned in the class. And in this way, we have covered up our this SLO. My dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.